Children learn as they grow. If a child lives with criticism, he or she learns to condemn. If a child lives with hostility, he or she learns to fight. If a child lives with ridicule, he or she learns to be shy. If a child lives with shame, he or she learns to feel guilty. If a child lives with tolerance, he or she learns to be patient. If a child lives with encouragement, he or she learns confidence. If a child lives with praise, he or she learns to appreciate. If a child lives with fairness, he or she learns justice. If a child lives with security, he or she learns to have faith. If a child lives with approval, he or she learns to like himself. If a child lives with acceptance and faith, he or she learns to find love in the world. Thank you.